Coal City Connect be this live and direct, of course, now area just be where we say we don't know what today the minds of people for inside we area. Area just not the code. My name is Naneki, of course, I dare here to carry you around the town. Of course, we're somewhere for inside Southeast for Niger. And of course, they call here Coal City. Denugu, what's up? 042, what to do? Your girl don't date town. Of course, for inside 2020, as we start time, coronavirus just hit us. Left, right, front, back. We don't know how we go take do. But now, they don't come at they tell us measures when they say you go do, I go do to make sure say we dey safe. As at now, when I follow you they talk, we get about 44 confirmed cases of coronavirus. So, but then make I start sanitize. Yami Alade say now everybody sanitize.
Coronavirus na sickness.
You don't hear about coronavirus?
Yes, I heard it.
What did they talk about them?
Well, we just they talk say coronavirus is not for Nigeria because we are not eating what they are eating and our skin is not the same.
They say we should wear gloves, we should put on nose masks as they put on now. Say me we know they shake person.
It's killing people. They say we should be sanitizing ourselves by using nose masks and staying indoor.
For what I hear, they say they need to sanitize their and wash your hand very well.
You don't wash your hands today, guys?
I don't wash my hand like 3 times today, sir. What I learn again for this thing, we say they're supposed to fear God. They need to fear God. As they need to fear God, they're going to fear sickness. So maybe God won't do this thing so that they're going to fear and Him will be God. We carry this sickness, can't give for this world we will do. So we're supposed to be very careful and we're supposed to be hygienic to keep our environment clean.
They say it's a killer disease that is emanated from China, but it has escalated to all over the world.
Sanitize, everybody sanitize.
Then talk say make I no carry past 2 passengers. How many they carry for the back?
Now, for now, we still dey carry 4.
Why now?
Because people are not complaining about that.
But they don't give law yesterday. So make I carry 2.
If they will comply, now we will carry 2.
But Oga, make I ask you,
Yes.
You know say this na period where everybody they sacrifice.
Yes.
You understand? You know easy for government.
Exactly.
You know easy for doctors. You know easy for me, no easy for you. So not be your own contribution be that at least to take help you because people where they attack again, no be big men who now your brother, your sister, me,
Exactly,
you.
exactly.
Alright, so they ask coronavirus, you don't hear of Amba?
Of course.
How then talk say we take protect ourselves?
Well, no anybody teach me before.
Okay.
Nobody
So
teach
they
me
never
before.
tell you how you go take protect ourselves.
It's a deadly disease and it's everywhere in Nigeria now. Stop social function for now.
We say we will wash our hands. Every 5 minutes we wash our hands. So we are trying our best. But state government is supposed to provide those things we need. Like this map, this thing I go to buy today. They say 500. Something they're selling 15 naira before. They're selling 500. This sanitizer we are going to buy. They're selling this sanitizer 250, 300. Now they're selling it 1,500, 1,000. We can't afford the money now. So state government have to do something so that everybody will have it.
Guru one, you don't hear your people inside the Nugu. Governor, if I go and they beg, you keke they talk say bikonu. Even if na face mask or sanitizer you give them, say it go make sense. Ma, you hold your hand sanitizer.
Yes, I'm with it.
Good afternoon, ma.
Yeah, welcome, my dear.
Have to take precautionary measures. So that's
What
just
are those
it.
precautionary measures?
Well, first and foremost, you avoid handshakes.
Coronavirus is a virus, it's a disease that affects the respiratory tract. Put your hand sanitizer, put your nose mask, if possible, put your hand gloves, and make sure you avoid the crowded place.
And you wear nice clothes, like you dress properly to avoid contact. Like if you're wearing sleeveless now, you know definitely you can easily have this skin to skin contact with someone. Then the third one, washing your hand regularly and then using your hand sanitizers and then staying kind of giving one an arm's length in terms of one that's coughing, sneezing and all those things, you know.
People are still not concerned about it. Still normal for even the keke is 3-3.
From which area be that?
GRA here.
For 1 hour, before 30 minutes, you wash your hand thoroughly with it, then you pour it on your palm, then you rub it back and front.
Alright. We see the for inside 042 Coal City. We see the check what they happen for inside buses. Despite the outbreak of coronavirus, we see the check how many people they carry for inside bus and see the numbers. So we see they see.
In this kind of weather, it's not possible now.
If they expect us to carry two, how are we going to get our own income? Because if we carry two, the passenger will not find it easy to pay because we need to charge 100 naira for the two passengers to get to new market.
Okay, the coronavirus is a viral influenza, as we all know, and it's kind of airborne.
So how we to protect ourselves?
By washing your hands regularly, wearing nose masks, although I'm not wearing. And
when you wash your hands,
I carry we carry sanitizer. Give me.
Everybody sanitize.
You don't sanitize. Wait.
Sanitize everywhere, Oga.
Everywhere.
Everywhere sanitize. Correct. What it be and how we go to protect ourselves?
We say that this is when we say they fly like winch. And they say when they catch the people will be winch to when they fly, they need that.
Washing our hands regularly, or use sanitizer. Avoid people, avoid crowded places. Keep 1 meter distance between yourself and other people.
We sign it. Yes, we sign it.
So now they protect ourselves.
Yes.
So when patients come to now, how now they take protect ourselves so that patients too, they okay.
We use the face mask to protect ourselves. I also use gloves. I also use there is a cloth we normally use, one nylon cloth for the protection. I also use sanitizer for the patients. The only thing I know is that they say it's on air, that you can also get it from the hands. So always sanitize your hand, wash your hands all the time.
Inside the streets of Coal City, we don't find out what people they get to talk about COVID-19, coronavirus, or if you want to now COVID-19. Now your hand alright, so don't hear talk say people inside Coal City then they are aware. Some people they believe God, but my brother, my sister, we all believe in God. But most important wash your hands. Sanitize where possible, use your face mask, your gloves, just protect yourself, stay safe. We don't say we go beat this one. Coronavirus, that one of those things where we say we hope say very soon it will become thing of the past. So every bus when they enter inside Ebonyi State, you must stop, get checked. They go check your temperature and they go also give you hand sanitizer. In the city of Abakaliki, yes, we went into the streets, we asked a lot of questions, what people know about COVID-19, and guess what? They are informed. We are glad that we could pass the information down to people who are actually not informed. In case you just listen to this one, be careful, maintain high hygiene, very, very important this period. Ladies and gentlemen, next give me my name, Nami Bilolo 1, I don't sign out.